Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to book two different rooms in Agoda in 2024. So, are you planning for a trip for a group or a family, or you're needed just to book for, I don't know, colleague in work or students, something like that? And you want to book, of course, multiple rooms on Agoda. Today, I will guide you through the process of booking two different rooms in Agoda, ensuring a seamless booking experience for your travel party. So, let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, you'll need to go and visit Agoda website or even app if you have it on your phone. To do so, I'm using PC, so I'll go here and open the browser. For me here, I'm using Brave. For you, you can use whatever you want. Once you open that browser, basically go to the URL section. Here, you'll have to type agoda.com, hit the enter button, and you'll find yourself in their website right away. If it's your first time, you'll find yourself basically kind of the same page with a small difference. As you can see, you'll find here a sign in option. If you have an account by any chance, just make sure to go and sign into that. And if you don't have an account, click on create an account to create a new account for yourself. So here, as an example, once you create your account or you just logged in into your account, you'll basically find yourself here on this page with yourself logged in here. You'll find yourself with a VIP bronze. Of course, if you want to make it silver, you'll have to book 2 times. If you want to make it gold, you'll have to book 5 times. If you want to make it like plat, you'll have to book 10 times. If you want to list even your place to earn some money, you'll be able to do it. But in order to do that, you'll need to verify your phone number and simply upload a photo of your own so it can be verified so you'll be able to start listing. Other than that, if you just want to book, just go back to the home screen. Here you'll have to look for the place that you want to book in. Any hotels or homes. Of course, if you want some private stays, make sure to click in here, or long stays, click in here. For me, I want to book as an example hotels or homes. So I'll have to enter the place where I want to book as an example. Let's say we want to book on Paris. So just go here and look for Paris in France. And here I'll have to choose the date that I want to book to. Of course, let's say my booking will start from the 5th to 6th, as an example, just 2 days. And here, if you want to book two different rooms, simply just go and add room right here. You'll find two rooms. In the filters, make sure to choose two rooms. And of course, if you have more like people, make sure to choose how many people do you have. If you have children, you'll have to enter that amount of children. And as you can see, example, maybe two adults, four children's. And you'll find here's an example that you'll have to fill the age of those children. Of course, maybe two rooms is not enough. You can add more if you want to. Keep that in mind. So as an example for me, I'll just do two rooms for two adults. And here, I'll just go and click on search. So as you can see, they'll search for the best things for me. As you can see, we have here this place. We have a lot of places. So for you, you can choose depending on the rating that you have, as you can see. So the average is 7.8. They have cleanness like 7.5, location 7.5, value for money 7.7, facilities 7.4, service 7.5. So it's actually good depending on the price. As you can see, it's very, very actually cheap. If you want something better, as you can see, you can look for a better ratings, like this 8.9. But as you can see, it might be a bit expensive than the other one. As an example, let's say we choose this one. So I'll just go and click on it. Here, you'll be able to see, first of all, the photos of it. You'll get photos like of the rooms on it, like kitchen, stuff, basically everything. And things they will love about this example, they have free Wi-Fi in all rooms, air conditioning, a bar, and 500 meters to public transportation. So it's actually very, very close. And other than that, as you can see, we can simply see the facilities here. They have a car park, check in and out private, free Wi-Fi in all rooms, fitness center, front desk 24 hours, coffee shop, luggage storage, and yeah. Of course, you can filter rooms depending on whatever you want, like free cancellation or non-smoking. Maybe as example, I want just the room with non-smoking. I want the room with, as example, kitchen. Maybe I want the room with the city view. As example, they'll give you options for that. Let's say that's for us, as you can see too. So let's say I like this one. Of course, if you want like free cancellation before like this, you'll have to add, seems like $1. So you can add this or choose this. Do whatever suits you. For me, as an example, I'll just choose this. No need for cancellation because, as an example, I'm sure I will go and stay there. So here, if you have some special request like no smoking or like a large bed, make sure to do it and then click on final like step, which is basically here you have to pay. Of course, as you can see, it's going to be two rooms, two adults, free Wi-Fi, and we only have two rooms left at this price. For example, it's only 9 days until your check-in, so the rates may rise if you don't book now. As you can see, the coupon is already applied. If you don't want to apply it, of course, you'll not be able to. As you can see, if you click on it. So basically, your final price basically is going to be this for two rooms in 2 days, which is 152.88, which is basically 153. So here you'll be able to pay with your credit card like Visa, MasterCard, Amex, GCB, a Diner, Discover, a Union Pay, or you can pay with digital payment like PayPal, Afterpay, as an example. You'll be able to do some stuff with that. So fill up your information. Of course, if this 5 minutes is not enough, you can click on I need more time. Example, you don't have the information yet of your credit card or your PayPal or something like that. Make sure to take more time. Of course, they'll give you 5 more minutes. So simply just go and pay. As an example, if you're paying with credit card, fill your information, click on book now. If you're paying with, as example for Afterpay, you'll have to click on book now. If you're paying with PayPal, you have to go and log in into your account and pay with it. And you will be basically good to go. Of course, once you fill up your information and pay, they'll give you the booking summary. You can review the details for both rooms, ensure accuracy, and they'll basically give you like receipts. You can keep it on your phone or simply print it to get it with you the time or the day that you're going to this hotel, and you'll be good to go. So there you have it. You've successfully booked two different rooms on Agoda in your upcoming trip. Whether you're traveling with your family, friends, colleagues, Agenda offers a seamless booking experience for multiple rooms, ensuring a comfortable and enjoyable stay for all of you. So happy traveling. And of course, if you have any question or there's a specific topic that you'd like me to cover in the next tutorial, just drop it down below in the comment section. I'll try to do it as soon as possible. And if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. So thank you for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. Goodbye.